So I'm Shavita and welcome to my channel, and we're going to go through a 10-minute slow flow. So let's join me on the mat, and let's go and start the class by surrendering on the mat in child's pose. Reach your fingers forward and breathe. Breathing in, breathing out. And just surrender on your mat. And slowly come in to all fours. We're going to inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Neutralize your spine. We're going to extend our left leg to the back wall. Try not to have your hip coming up. We're going to just rotate it down towards the mat and change sides. Reach and change. Reach and change. One more time. Reach and change. We're going to add opposite hand, opposite leg. Extend, bring it down. Extend, bring it down. Reach up. Keep the abs pulled in. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Now we're going to hold the right hand, left leg. We're going to bend the knee, grab hold of the foot. And we're going to kick that foot away from us. And I'm going to turn to look at my foot. Holding it for 3, 2, 1. Gently release. Change sides. Reach, bend the knee, and extend that leg. Kick it away from you. Turn around and have a look at the foot. For 3, 2, 1. Gently release. And we're going to do one more time on each side. Extend, bend the knee, grab hold of the foot. For 3, 2, 1. Gently release. Change sides. Extend, bend, reach. For 3, 2, 1. Gently release. Good. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Remember to move with your breath. Inhaling, looking up. Exhaling, looking down. Tuck the toes under and lift up those knees. And we're going to slowly open up the back of our body. From the back of our hands to the back of our wrists, to our shoulders, upper back, lower back, hamstrings and calves. Slowly opening up. You're just walking it out nice and gently. There's no rush today. And then bring your feet together. Bend your knees. Take your knees over to one side and the hips over to the other side. And again, change sides. Bending the knees, hips over to the opposite side, and then back up. And we're just walking it out. Left, right, left, right. There's no rush today. We're going to lean forward onto our hands. Step your right foot forward, left foot forward. Tuck in the neck. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, tuck in the neck. Inhaling, reaching up. Exhaling, forward bend. Tuck the neck in. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhaling, tuck in the neck. Step the right leg back, drop the right knee down, and bring the hands inside the foot. I'm just having a little wiggle, Reach, sort of come forward and back. Then we're going to hold it here. We're going to open up our hips. Opening up our hips. For 3, 2, 1. And we're going to place that right hand underneath our shoulder, and we're going to inhale, lift up the left. For 3, 2, 1. Now if you want, you can grab hold of your back foot. For 3, 2, 1. And then gently release. Have one hand on either side of the foot. Tuck the back toe under, come into downward facing dog. Nice long deep breaths in. Nice long deep breaths out. And then we're going to step the right foot forward. Drop the left knee down. And bring the hands inside of the feet, the front foot. And we then have a little wiggle here. Tiny circles one way, tiny circles the other way. We're opening up our hips. You're doing so well. And by opening up our bodies, we open up our minds and we open up ourselves to possibilities in life. Breathing in, breathing out. And then we're going to bring the left hand to the middle of our body. And we're going to inhale, lift up the right hand. For 3, 2, 1. And then you can, if you want, bend the knee and grab hold of the foot. Holding it for 3, 2, 1. Gently release, framing the front foot, tucking the toe under to downward facing dog. Breathing in, breathing out. And then we're going to lift up the right leg. And then bring that right knee to the right elbow, back up to the center, back up to the opposite elbow, back up to the center, back up to the right, back up to the center. And this time we're going to lift that leg up, bend the knee, open up the hip. And then we're going to take that right foot to the left hand, extend the back leg down, and we're coming down, and we're going to hold this for a bit more than just 30 seconds. So kind of like get relaxed into this posture and just breathe into it. We're opening up the hips. We hold a lot of tension in our hips. Emotions attached to our hips is stability, feeling secure, feeling stable. And when our hips might be aching, we might be feeling insecure in some way. So our body has a language of its own. And through yoga and movement, we learn to listen to that language, the language of our body. So tiny little flosses. You can always bring your left hip to your right heel to expand the stretch. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. And then if you want to, you can bring your hands up, lengthen your spine, bring the left hand to the middle of your body, and then grab hold of your foot with the opposite hand. For 3, 2, 1, gently release. Bring both hands onto the mat, tuck the toe under, and come up. Well done. Catch your breath. And then we're going to lift up the left leg and bring that left knee to the left elbow. Inhale back up to the center. Inhale back up to the right elbow. Up, center, up, left, up, center, up, bend the knee, open up the hip, and then we're going to bring the left foot to the right hand, nice and slowly. Extend the back leg, and we're going to hold it here, one hand on top of the other, and relax. You're kind of flossing your way through this and just breathing in, breathing out. You may want to take your right hip to your left heel. Nice long deep breaths in. Nice long deep breaths out. So again, listening to the whispers of your body, creating space in that connective tissue. And we're usually sitting on our hips, so what we're doing in this posture is creating space in our muscles. so energy can flow. And if you want to, you can come up onto your hands. Place your right hand in the middle of your body, bend the right leg, and then grab hold of your foot and turn and have a look at your foot if you can. You're doing so well. For 3, 2, 1, gently release. Tuck the back toe under, come into downward facing dog and walk it out. And then exhale, bring the knees down, melt it down onto the mat. For 3, 2, 1. And slowly come back up to sitting. Sitting nice and comfortably, roll your shoulders one way, roll your shoulders the other way. Turn your head ear to shoulder, nice and slowly. There is no rush. And then tiny circles up. And then gently roll your shoulders back and forward. And then as we sit here, we take a couple of deep breaths in, deep breaths out. And think of 3 things that you're grateful for in this very moment. Inhaling it into your body, exhaling gratitude out to the universe. Inhaling gratitude, inhaling gratitude. And whenever you're ready, you can gently open your eyes. I thank you for your time and allowing me into your living rooms. I appreciate you. If you've liked these videos, please do share, comment and subscribe. And I look forward to sharing with you next time. Thank you.